Hello, hello. Welcome to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something, I'm just here to find those A winners, go getters, trend setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got an exciting company I want to talk to you about today, BioNano Genomics. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So BioNano Genomics, I mean, they're a really pretty interesting company. They got quite a bit going on, and I really think this is one of these companies that is basically the next, a pioneer. They're a pioneer innovator in optical genome mapping. Okay, so let's look at the leadership team here. PhD CEO Eric Holm, a lot of experience with a lot of big companies. Chief Medical Officer, PhD too, Alka Chabi. Heard both of these in many different interviews. Their Chief Informatics Officer, I think that's revolutionary. You're seeing a lot more of these biotech companies having the informatics officers. I think that's, when I see a company have those type of positions, I think they're revolutionary. They know what's going on. They're looking in the future. So some of the products that these guys offer is this OGM system. It's software, testing, laboratory services. And I really think there's a huge potential for this testing. They're basically looking at, they can do structural variations analysis in a lot faster time than their competitors. Okay. Usually historically these other platforms haven't been capable of these kind of comprehensive, cost-effective, reliable structural variation detection. Okay, that's a big deal. And BioNano Genomics, I mean, their product basically is in some ways crushing the competition in that regards. Okay, basically they have optical genome mapping with software and, testing. Their biggest competitors, Illumina, PacBio, Nanopore, all of these other companies, honestly, the BioNano Genomics, their OGM product, better suited, larger structural variation detection, low cell fractions, throughput. You're talking 100 times faster than some of the competition. It's easier workflow. That's another big deal. There's a lot of reasons why also, you go online, you look at what the customers, they're adopting. Some of these major hospitals, all these places are adopting to these, to the biogenomics product because it's one assay for structural variation detection instead of 3 or 5. I mean, that's a big deal. That makes it faster, easier time for results. It actually costs the companies less, the hospitals and the labs that are using these. They can offer higher resolution, and basically, can provide basically better answers for these potential patients in the end. So I do think there's a lot of opportunity here. The market opportunity for OGM is pretty substantial. I've seen some estimates saying that, once they have 15,000 sequencers complete of sequence, maybe up to $4 billion. So you look at the pipeline products and services that they have, the Sapphire, BioNano chips, BioNano prep kits. And I'm really excited about some of these products that they're offering and how well their software is working, their assays, their labs. I mean, that stuff is really important. That gets you ahead of the competition. So let's take a look at the stock price. Okay, BioNano Genomics, stock symbol BNGO, BNGO. BioNano Genomics, at the time of this video, it's trading at $2.04. And I know if you've been listening to my videos, that I do think we're in this economic, downturn with inflation and interest rates still rising. But, I think, we're right around the corner. This is the type of company that I want to get in on early before the market turns. I do think they have a good long-term growth plan. If they can expand commercial traction, validation, they're already, I feel like, doing a great job of, with customers. Their products are really good. And I think a big deal is, can they get reimbursement based on their test? If they can get a clear path to get reimbursement for their OGM-based test, I think that's a big deal. That's going to open up, more, drive in more market and also more business. So, I do think they do have to get some more advanced products, other products that support higher market adoption, and also get into some entry level new markets. But I think lots of stuff coming up, in the next quarter. They have that 240 Sapphire system. They got to expand awareness of that. They have more product development for different DNA isolation protocols. So I'm really excited about it. They also have a commercial version of their next gen OGM system, hopefully early next year. So, I'm looking forward to their annual BioNano Strategy Day that's coming up in 2023. I'll be following it, keeping track, seeing what they're up to. This is definitely a company I think that has potential. Big potential products. That's all the time we have for this video. If you did enjoy this video and content I'm creating, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's completely free. It helps the channel grow. I'll continue to monitor this company. And as always, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.